New details this morning on the case of a pregnant woman from Dallas asking the state for an emergency abortion.
Kate Cox says doctors tell her long-term health is at risk and the baby has little chance of survival. Megan Mitchell joins us live in the newsroom. Megan, this has been a back and forth battle in the courts.
Yeah, for about a week now, Kara. That's right. We've been breaking down this ruling that came down last night, and legal experts that we spoke with say that the implications here are far-reaching and they're a bit murky. So this morning, the justices have officially overturned that original court order that would have allowed Kate Cox to get that emergency abortion. Last Tuesday, the Dallas mother of two sued the state for an emergency abortion and said her baby had a fatal condition which threatens her health and the future of her fertility. Well, on Thursday, a judge said she could have that abortion that same day, but Attorney General Ken Paxton then threatened to prosecute anyone who helped her get it. On Friday, the Texas Supreme Court froze that original order and said its justices would decide whether she could have the procedure, but did not say when they might make that decision. Well, just yesterday, Cox's attorney announced she is leaving the state to get that emergency abortion and saying that she could no longer wait for the justices to make that decision. Then just hours later, they did make that decision, blocking the order that originally allowed it. Now, in this ruling from the court late last night, it wrote, Miss Cox and her doctor could not, or at least did not, attest to the court that Miss Cox's condition poses the risks that the state's abortion ban exemption requires. But they also wrote that the state leaves to physicians, not judges, both the discretion and the responsibility to exercise their reasonable medical judgment. At the same time, they use that language.
They are basically disregarding a physician's point of view that her patient needs this care. I don't think after reading this, any physician or hospital counsel is going to be any more comfortable with going forward.
Now, we don't know exactly where she went or possibly is going to get that abortion, but again, this is a developing story. We're gathering more details, of course, looking through that ruling, and we'll bring you more as soon as possible. Kara, I'll send it back to you.
All right, thank you,